Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to find and view your saved Discord password. This method can be applied to various services. So when you log into an app or website, you're often asked if you want to save your password. If you have saved your Discord password, you can typically find it within your device password manager. So different devices and browsers use different password managers. So if you're using Google Chrome web browser, you need to tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Now go to the settings section and here go to autofill and passwords. Now select Google Password Manager under this section and you'll find the list of websites and apps where you have saved your password for. Now scroll down and find the Discord section. Go ahead and select it. Type in your PIN, and this will let you access all the username and password for your Discord account. If you select this eye icon over here, you'll be able to view the Discord password and you can use it to log into your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.